Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. One of the great features of Linux is there are many distributions that are available. It can become a bit overwhelming to select the correct distribution for your use case. In this video we'll look at some of the factors you'll want to consider when selecting the right distro for you. Let's go ahead and get started. Linux is a versatile open source operating system used in various devices. There are many distributions tailored for different users. This guide covers key factors in choosing a distribution, highlights popular ones, and helps you find the best fit. Linux is an open source OS used in personal computers, servers, and supercomputers. It offers various distributions tailored to different use cases, skill levels, and preferences, suitable for beginners, developers, and system administrators. This guide covers key factors in selecting a Linux distribution, highlights popular distros like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian, and helps you identify the one that suits your needs based on your purpose and expertise. Linux distributions are variations of the Linux operating system, each with unique features like package managers, desktop environments, and default software. Some focus on simplicity while others prioritize performance, security, or specialized tasks. A Linux distribution consists of several components: the kernel, package manager, desktop environment, and default applications. The kernel manages hardware resources while the package manager handles software. The desktop environment provides the graphical interface, and default applications include pre-installed software like browsers and media players. When choosing a Linux distribution, consider user-friendliness for beginners and customization for advanced users. Evaluate use cases like personal use, development, server management, and specialized tasks. Ensure hardware compatibility and seek strong community support for troubleshooting and resources. When choosing a Linux distribution, consider your needs. For personal use, pick distros with polished desktop environments and many applications. Developers should focus on robust tools and package availability. For server management, opt for stability, secure distributions with long-term support. Specialized tasks may require specific distros like those for security or media production. When selecting a Linux distro, consider your hardware. Lightweight distros like Ubuntu and Puppy Linux are great for older or low-spec systems. For modern hardware, high-performance distros like Fedora and Arch Linux are recommended. For beginners, choose user-friendly Linux distros with intuitive interfaces and strong community support. Intermediate and advanced users should opt for distros offering more customization and control. Communities like Ubuntu and Fedora provide valuable resources such as tutorials and forums. Here's an overview of popular Linux distributions. It covers general-purpose distros like Ubuntu and Linux Mint, and developer-focused options like Fedora and Debian. Server choices like CentOS Stream and Ubuntu Server, specialized use cases like Kali Linux and Ubuntu Studio, and minimalist options like Arch Linux and Gentoo. Let's explore three beginner-friendly Linux distributions. Ubuntu, known for its ease of use and vast software repository. Linux Mint, which focuses on simplicity and stability. And Zorin OS, which features a Windows-like interface for users transitioning from Windows. Here's a comparison of three Linux distributions: Fedora, Debian, and Manjaro. Fedora offers cutting-edge software and strong support for containers. Debian provides a stable foundation with a vast repository, and Manjaro is based on Arch Linux as a user-friendly OS with rolling updates. Here's three more popular Linux server distributions: CentOS Stream, known for its stability and enterprise use; Ubuntu Server, which offers a user-friendly experience and strong community support; and Alma Linux, Rocky Linux, the open-source replacements for CentOS. Here's some specialized Linux distributions: Kali Linux for penetration testing and ethical hacking, Ubuntu Studio for creative professionals, and Raspberry Pi, optimized for the Raspberry Pi platform. Arch Linux is highly customizable and lightweight, but needs manual setup. Gentoo allows source compilation for optimization. Slackware, one of the oldest, is for advanced users preferring simplicity and control. To choose and install a Linux distribution, first research the distro's website for features and support. Test it live with USBs without installation. Follow the installation guide and use tools like Rufus or Etcher. And finally, customize your system by adding software and personalizing the software environment. In summary, choosing the right Linux distribution depends on your goals and experience. Beginners might prefer Ubuntu or Linux, while advanced users could opt for Fedora, Arch Linux, or Debian. For servers, CentOS Stream and Ubuntu Server are great choices. Test different distros with live USBs to find your perfect match. Well, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.